teachers have information.
And you were like, just bring them to me later. And then I
Okay.
Does the school have it?
Just some of the things that we'll be doing with this information. We'll be asked to do things like find the exact value. Of the 6 trig functions. For the real number, let's see, t equals pi over 6. That'll work. Now when I say exact value, that means I do not want those decimals that show up on your calculators. That is not an exact value. That is in a decimal approximation. So I'm looking for a fraction form of these results. The 6 trig functions happen to be the cosine of the angle, the sine of the angle, the tangent of the angle. What else?
The secant and cosecant and cotangent.
Okay? So at 5 pi over 6, maybe the unit circle might be a little bit helpful to describe the cosine value at 5 pi over 6.
150 degrees is
The cosine value at 5 pi over 6 happens to be
Negative 3
negative
pi.
3 over 2.
Do I need to get the counselor to write the name?
Fred. Let's focus on that. Sine of 5 pi over 6.
1/2.
Look on your unit circle.
I am.
Look at 150 degrees.
You're not anything ready yet. That's
I'm not
all
sure.
right. I don't have.
Tangents.
Negative root 3 over 3.
All right. Now, the secant, the cosecant, and the cotangent happen to be the reciprocals of these numbers. What is the reciprocal of negative root 3 over 2?
Negative 2 over root 3.
No, I thought that we...
Well, are we done with it yet?
Negative 2 root 3 over 3.
Gosh.
Well, that's not a bad number. Let's try a different one. What's the reciprocal of 1/2?
2.
That's not too bad. Now, what is the reciprocal of the square root of 3 over 3? Oh, I'm sorry. Negative square root of 3 over 3.
Negative 3 square root of 3 over.
It's
just
negative 3.
There you go. Yes, it is. It really is just the root of 3. So you'll notice as you work your way around the circle, we had tangents that are the root of 3 over 3 and tangents that are the root of 3. They're reciprocals of each other, which is kind of nice. So there's that information. You'll be asked to do some of this on your homework today. Be able to take one of these spots. Now I would request that you flip your chart over for just a minute. Look on the back side. Go across the row that is 5 pi over 6 and make sure that that matches all 6 of these numbers. Make sure I wrote those down for you correctly. Because we really don't want a mistake on the chart, do we? Does it match everything?
Yeah.
You good on that? Everybody see that? You understand that you can go across that row and see every one of those trig functions.